Let's learn a shortcut to express a non-terminating recurring decimal in the form p by q. Let's take this example. Say you want to convert 0.456 with a bar on top of 4, 5 and 6 into the form p by q. Over here you can see that the whole decimal part is repeating, right? So you write the whole decimal part as the numerator. You have 3 digits that are getting repeated over here, therefore you write 3 nines in the denominator and this is your answer. So you have 3 digits over here, that's why you have 3 nines over here. All the decimal section is getting repeated, so you write the whole decimal places in the numerator. So 0.456 with a bar is equal to 456 by 999. Let's do one more question. Say you want to do 0.3 bar. You can see that the whole decimal section is getting repeated, so you write that as the numerator. You have 1 digit that's getting repeated, that's why you write only 1 9 in the denominator, and 3 by 9 is the answer. What about 0.67 bar? That would be 67 divided by 99, because 2 digits are getting repeated in the decimal section, right? That's why you have 2 nines over here. Alright, now what about 0.66 bar? That would be 66 by 99. In all these cases, the whole decimal section was getting repeated. Let's take another example. What about 0.25735 with the bar only on top of 7, 3 and 5? That means only 735 gets repeated, right? So in this case, let's see how many digits are getting repeated. That's 3, right? Therefore you write 3 nines in the denominator. Now you have 2 digits that are not repeating, right? Therefore you write 2 zeros over here. The next step is, in the numerator, write the whole decimal section over here. So that's 25735 and subtract the non-repeating part. This is the non-repeating part. So subtract the non-repeating part, that's minus 25. And this is your answer. The numerator you get 25710 and in the denominator you have 99900. And of course you can simplify this. For example, you can cut out 0 from here and here, but this is in the form p by q. Let's do one more question. If you want to do 0.12386 with the bar on top of 86, that would be equal to this much, right? You have 2 nines because 2 digits are repeating. There are 3 non-repeating digits over here, so you have 3 zeros. You write the whole decimal part over here and you subtract the non-repeating part, which is 123. And if you do the calculation, your numerator will be 12263 and you have 99000 in your denominator, and this is of the form p by q. Now in all these sections we have seen numbers that started with 0 point, right? In all these problems, let's see a number that does not start with 0 point something. Say we know that 0.142857 bar is equal to 1 by 7. How do we find 3.142857 with a bar over here? Now I can write this as 3 plus 0.142857 bar, right? And I know that this much is equal to 1 by 7. So this is equal to 3 plus 1 by 7, which is 3 1 by 7. This is a mixed fraction. I can also write it as 3 into 7 plus 1, that's 22 by 7. Alright, now a fun fact, this 22 by 7 is what in many problems pi is approximated to, but pi is not equal to 22 by 7 because pi is an irrational number. This is only an approximation taken in many questions. Now just side fact, if you want to find 0.142857 bar in the form p by q, if this was not given, how would you approach it? You can see that the whole decimal section is getting repeated. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digits that are repeated. So your answer would be 142857 divided by 6 nines.